Hi everyone, this is Kelsey at Owl HQ. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Preview pane in File Explorer. As the name implies, when you click on a file in File Explorer, the Preview pane gives you a preview of the file. You can save yourself a bit of time by using the Preview pane to take a peek at a file to see what it contains instead of opening it. This is very handy if you're not great at giving your files descriptive names. The Preview pane is a feature that's available in both Windows 10 and 11, but this video will be going over how to activate the Preview pane in Windows 11. First, open File Explorer. At the top of File Explorer, click View, and then click Preview pane. Now if I click on a file, a preview of that file will appear on the right side of the File Explorer window. Preview pane works on all sorts of files, including Word documents, PDFs, pictures, and more. If you find that the Preview pane is too small, hover your mouse over the left border of the Preview pane. Your mouse cursor should turn into a double-sided arrow, and now you can click and drag left or right to adjust the size of the Preview pane. I also want to point out that once you activate Preview pane, it gets its own scroll bar. For example, if I click on this PDF, which is 8 pages long, I can use the scroll bar to preview each of the 8 pages. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.